Businesses are doing more and more of their work online, which makes them more and more vulnerable to ransomware attacks. Ransomware is a seriously growing threat to the community and has doubled in the past year. A lot of companies won't even report their attacks and quietly pay the ransom without making the situation public to maintain their reputation. Michigan has seen that firsthand when hackers access files on Lansing's Board of Water and Light Systems, leaving the Board of Water with no choice but to pay up. There has been a huge increase in ransomware attacks in the last couple of years that were up 110% worldwide in 2021 alone. City governments are common targets, like we saw in Clarkson City Manager was forced to pay $40,000 to criminals to restore their files. In another example, Michigan medicine systems were hacked and around 34,000 patients were notified that their health information had been exposed in a data breach. While large companies have IT teams and resources to address such breaches, small and medium sized businesses are the most vulnerable and need to take precautions in place to protect their data as well as prepare for the eventuality of when they get breached, they have the ability to restore their systems. Cybersecurity insurance is becoming a norm in most business today. It is becoming a requirement to get and maintain cybersecurity insurance that you must demonstrate that you have taken the steps to protect your computing infrastructure and customer data from such criminals. We have provided cybersecurity to various large organizations, including federal agencies like the Department of Justice, Department of Commerce, Department of State, and others, and have the ability to help you to not only develop a plan to protect yourself, but also help you recover in the event there is a breach. Contact us for a free consultation on some of the steps you can take and how we can help you.